In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check product weight on 1688 before buying. Knowing the weight of a product before you buy is essential for planning shipping costs, estimating total order weight, and making sure your packaging and logistics are set up correctly. On 1688, the information is there. You just need to know where to look and how to read it. Start by opening the 1688 website and navigating to the product you're interested in. Once you're on the product page, focus on the main listing first so you're sure you're checking the exact item and variation you plan to buy. If your browser offers automatic translation, you can use it to translate the page, but keep in mind that the keyweight terms are easier to recognize in Chinese, so I'll walk you through those next. Scroll down to the product details section of the listing. This area often includes a specification table and, in many cases, additional images that contain technical info. Here's what to look for. The word zhongliang means weight in general and usually refers to the default weight for the item unless otherwise specified. Jingzhong means net weight, which is the weight of the product itself without any packaging. Maozhong means gross weight, which includes the product plus its packaging, useful for shipping estimates. Dangezhongliang means single item weight, which tells you the weight for one piece. This is especially important if the product is sold in sets or bundles. You'll typically see units listed as kg, which is kilograms, or as g, which is grams. In Chinese, kilograms are written as gongjin and grams as qi. A quick conversion tip: 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So if you see zhongliang 0.5 kilograms, that simply means the weight is 0.5 kilograms, or 500 grams. As you review these fields, pay attention to context. If the listing sells multiple variations, like different sizes or materials, the weight can change per variant. Single item weight helps you avoid mixing up per piece values with per set or per carton figures. For shipping calculations, gross weight is usually the safer number because it reflects packaging. Net weight, on the other hand, is great for comparing product options and understanding the true heft of the item itself. If the specification table doesn't clearly show weight, scroll through the product images. Many sellers include a spec sheet image with weight details. Also, check the description area below the images. Sometimes the number appears there, even if it's not in the main table. That's it. By opening the product page, scrolling to the details, and recognizing these key terms and units, you can confidently find and interpret product